Before I let you go, Coach, the top you're wearing. You wear it all the time, and I've wanted to know, is it a lucky top?
No, it's not always the same one, but it's pretty much the same color. It's because of the location of the benches and the color of the jerseys of our team that I cannot be wearing in maybe black or navy blue. But it's true that the people used to identify my top with winning or losing. So I don't know. Maybe there's some magic in this type of tops.
Last question, Coach. Can you tell us, where are you going from Orlando Pirates? Which club are you headed to?
To be honest with you, I wish, but I can't. There's, these things of confidentiality and stuff like that. So it's not in my hands to, or it's not me the one who has the responsibility to announce such a thing. But it's gonna be very soon. I think that everybody will be understandable.